Why should you sell Jabra headsets? Well, in short, you'll be missing out on a business opportunity if you don't. The way we communicate is changing rapidly. Multiple platforms and devices keep bringing us closer together as the world gets smaller and the web gets bigger. You probably know the pitch better than us. But one thing remains the same. People like to talk. And talking is easier and more comfortable with a Jabra headset. Still, unified communication and telephony solutions are often sold without headsets. That's a little like selling a car without a steering wheel. Sure, it's going to get up and running somehow, but you might as well help your client get things right from the start. Providing the right headset from an early stage will improve the quality of your solution. It will also help your clients get a better return on their investment because their employees are able to take full advantage of the new technology from day one. In other words, your clients will be happier, more productive, and increase their turnover. And so will you. You'll also avoid the sad scenario of your customers buying their headsets from someone else. Not a nice thought. Did you know that the first batch of headsets is typically just 1/3 of what you will eventually end up selling the client? So don't miss out on a great opportunity. Raise your sales and help your clients make the most of their solutions with Jabra headsets. Ready to get started? Visit Jabra.com or contact your Jabra sales team.